So we're here in Stuttgart, Germany. It's the second day, Wednesday, of LogiMat, and behind me you'll see those slanted roofs. Those 10 halls hold the secrets to warehouse productivity, and your team at Robot Advisors, including myself, Chris Lingenfelter, we're going to go find them for you. Heimo Robosch in the front of Hall 3. Heimo's with Knapp, a longtime player in the supply chain industry, but grown very quickly from 3,000 employees just a few years ago to, you're just saying, almost 7,000, more than 7,000, almost 8,000. So the company's grown quickly, a broad product range. Of course, we have the Pick It Easy robot behind us. But what else can you tell us about what's going on with Knapp?
Yeah, first of all, great that you're here. You can meet again. So, yeah, as we said, we're showing here basically trying to give an overview on our complete product range, which starts from data catching, entry-level solutions for catching the right data, shop automation, AMR solutions, and of course the high-end, then fully automatic robot picking, where we feel with the combination of our robot, of our integration, and the Covariant AI module, we have one of the very few industrial-grade solutions that can cover the entire range of a warehouse SKU range.
Absolutely. Well, Heimo, I want to thank you very much. Appreciate it. Nice job, and good luck with the rest of the show.
Thank you.
All right, so we're here at the Gebhardt booth in the back of Hall 5, and I'm with VOLKER NICOLAI, who's Vice President of Sales and Service globally. Thank you for taking some time out of your schedule.
Thank you for coming over.
You have some exciting things to tell us about.
Yes, that's true. We have here our new upstream system, which is a combination or extension of a of a storage system, a shuttle storage system with a goods-to-person workstation. And the new thing is that we replace all the lifts, P&D conveyors and conveyor loops, which we usually have in shuttle systems, by these store diver vehicles, which are running on a grid on top of the storage.
It's pretty impressive. So you're able to get rid of a lot of the kit around the shuttle, but still get the high throughput. And I imagine that makes for a better ROI for your customers.
That's the main idea behind it.
Wow, that's great. Well, Volker, I appreciate you taking some time for your schedule.
It was great to have you here.
It's always good to see you.
Thank you.
Good luck with the rest of the show.
Thank you.
All right, so we're here in Hall 6, and I'm joined by Robert Patey from Balyo. Got a reach truck behind us. Tell us a pretty impressive reach truck. Tell us about it.
Nice reach out there, yes, thank you. So basically, this is our reach truck. It's built off of a Lindy-based truck. It does a 2.9 meter working aisle, as well as 11 meter lift.
Okay, yeah. 11 meters, so that's about 36
feet for the Americans out there, and roughly 6 foot aisles.
Wow, okay.
Yeah. So very tight spaces, high density, you know.
And anything else new and exciting at Balyo we should know about?
Sure, I mean, we've got a complete line of trucks, right, driverless forklifts at the moment, right, from DNA to tuggers. We can automate and make you driverless for most of your applications.
Wow. Well, Robert, thanks so much. Appreciate it. Enjoy the rest of your time in Stuttgart. Good luck. So I'm here with Oanna, and we have the Dexory inventory control robot here. Tell us how this works. It's really pretty impressive.
Thank you very much. Yeah, so it's a fully autonomous robot that does inventory management in warehouses. It can expand up to 15 meters, so any kind of size of warehouse, you can just do everything in one go. So rather than going location by location, the whole rack is scanned in a couple of minutes. Any warehouse can be done in a few hours, which is absolutely crazy fast compared to the manual.
So a 20,000 square foot warehouse or square meter warehouse, 200,000 square feet, you could do that in a few hours.
Yes, yeah.
Whereas you'd need a whole lot of drones to do one location at a time.
Exactly, and manually obviously even more. have
Of course. Fantastic. Well, good luck to you. And thank you for your time. Enjoy the rest of the show. So I'm joined by Thomas Metz, who is formerly of Dematic, used to run the European organization for Dematic, and also was responsible for integrating some of the acquisitions into Korber Logistics. Thomas is joining us here out in the garden at LogiMat, and I wanted to ask him, Thomas, if you can see into the future, what excites you about what's happening in logistics and robotics?
That's a nice question, Chris. Thanks a lot. I think there's a whole lot of, a ton of, as you used to say,
yes.
a ton of extremely exciting subjects, one of which might be 3D vision-based robotics, especially when it comes to order picking. Right?
Okay.
So this is something which may overcome or help to overcome the labor scarcity, which we need all over the world probably, but I'm more familiar to Europe. And actually, I think this is something which is a big thing for the near future, to successfully integrate 3D vision-based robotics into picking.
Well, Thomas, hey, thanks for taking some time and speaking to us here in Stuttgart.
My pleasure.
And it's always a pleasure to see you.
Pleasure's on my end.
We'll be in touch.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right, so we're here with Andrey Bakholdin from Bright Pick Automation. The booth is actually right outside of Hall 1 in the east entrance. And Andrey has a pretty interesting solution here. Tell us about it.
So behind me we have the world's first autonomous mobile picking robot. So this is actually the only AMR that can both transport, consolidate, and robotically pick the items. And the reason why that's a big deal is because unlike any other fulfillment system out there, we can pick items directly in the storage area. So we save all that time from not having to go back and forth to picking stations, which means that we need fewer robots, our robots are more efficient, the system is faster, it delivers a higher throughput, and ultimately, because you need fewer robots, it's more cost effective as well and it delivers a better ROI.
So Andrey, I found it interesting, your company's background is actually in vision systems. You have, I forgot what it's called, the competitor, the RealSense camera?
PhotoNeo.
The PhotoNeo camera has been available in the market for 10 years now. Of course, you're leveraging that, but you also make your own arm. I think, as far as I know, you're the only company making their own picking arm.
Yeah, so it's exactly as you say.
Well, Andrey, thank you so much. Good luck. Enjoy the show. Fantastic spot right out here in the front for Bright Pick Automation. Okay, so we're here in Hall 5 with Thorsten Lutke of Trapo, and Thorsten's going to tell us about this very impressive Trapo motor. Thorsten, and congratulations again on winning the best product at the show.
Thank you very much. Yeah, you see behind me there's the automatic truck loading from the Trapo GmbH. We are doing loading and unloading with Euro pellets and also with different other pellet sizes. We have an automatic chain conveyor on top where the pellets are coming up to the front. And then the TLS is going underneath, picking up the pellets, bringing them forward, and then in one step into the truck. Always 3 pellets in one step, and loading time approximately 30 minutes for 33 pellets in one truck. This is one of the big advantages in this system. You can use the same system for 1, 2, 3 loading blocks, and you save a lot of money, you save a lot of normal forklifters, and this system is very safe. That means you have not so much damages in the factory as it's normal when you have normal trucks driving around.
Well, Thorsten, I want to thank you for giving us the introduction to Trapo and the Trapo loading product. Here it goes again. Very impressive, and congratulations. Enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you very much. You're welcome.
So I'm here with Crystal Parrot in the Plus One booth. We're right in the front of Hall 6. Plus One, this is your second year here at LogiMat.
Yes.
Tell us what you're showing off. It's pretty impressive.
So we're showing off our command center here today, and basically what we're demonstrating is the remote human-in-the-loop opportunity to operate in both decal and in induction when a system gets confused or has an open package or there's just some anomaly that needs somebody to help understand what's going on. We have what we call our yonder opportunity, and that allows a human in the loop to go from remotely anywhere and select an action that actually reduces the problems of whatever's in the cell. So if it happens to be an open package, we can pick it and say, please reject this. Or if it's just I'm confused, don't know what to pick, seems a little bit different, what it'll do is it'll actually determine what to pick very quickly.
Impressive. Well, Crystal, thanks for sharing everything with us.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy the rest of the show.
Appreciate it.
And we'll see you back in the U.S.
Yes, we will. Thank you.
So I'm with Maria Degmeyer here, and they are the award winner. She works for a company called Meysens, and this is the TopSens. This is the device that won the gold award, and I don't think it's really gold, but it's quite a very solid, impressive.
It's pure gold.
It's pure gold.
Yeah,
yes,
24
exactly.
karat.
24 karat. But tell us a little bit about Meysens and the TopSens sensor and how it's going to change AMR technology
Change
forever.
the world.
It's going to change the world.
Of course. Right, so this is the Thomas Metz echolocation sensor. It's a 3D ultrasonic sensor for collision avoidance in mobile robots. And the way it works is you have a transducer here that sends out an ultrasonic pulse, and that wave then gets, obviously, as we know from bats, we know how bats fly at night, using echolocation. It gets bounces of objects in the vicinity of the sensor, and the echoes that come back are then received by 3 microphones, and they generate the 3D data.
And you have a little demo where we can drop some tape here and see. This is like the vehicle, and we drop it, and it's red.
Yep.
And if we,
so red means a zone has been violated, the agent is stopped, right?
and if it's in the outer zone,
yeah, and then it goes yellow, and it slows down. So it gives the HV the command to slow down. Once the warning zone is violated, and if the stopping zone is violated, red stops.
Maria, this is very impressive. I can't wait to see AMRs all over the planet using the echolocation sensing technology from the TopSens Echo 1.
Echo 1, that's the one. Huh?
All right. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Yeah, my pleasure. Thanks.
Bye-bye. Wow. Okay, so that's a wrap for Wednesday, April 25th here at LogiMat 23. You can see in the distance the MESA trade show halls are over my shoulder. We had a fantastic couple of days, a lot of really interesting technology we saw today. Tomorrow, Thursday, is the last day of LogiMat 2023. If there's anything you think we need to cover, let us know. Shoot us a text, an email. You can send it to chris@robotadvisorygroup.com, and we'll be sure to cover it. We're going to start early tomorrow and run all the way through 5 o'clock, and then we're headed back to the United States on Friday. Thanks for watching.